Something new to do. Brand new wheels. I'm going to cut it on this line right here. And then I'm going to take 1.5 inches out here and then weld them back together. Along with the deal that I just showed about cutting a set of wheels and stuff. So this, of course, is a bit for cutting. This is an old spin balancer motor set up here just like a wood lathe and cut a straight line in it. But yeah, just proof of concept. This is just a test wheel, but yeah, it's going to work great for sectioning a wheel. Get that thing to sit up here a little bit so that y'all can kind of see what's going on. So we're pretty much cutting just like that. I don't know if y'all can see that actually. You might not be able to see that. Let's see here. Yeah, y'all should be able to see it now if I can get the phone to stay. Let me see here. I don't know. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Maybe you can. Hope y'all can see that. But yeah, that's what we're doing. They're straight. The rim's not straight, but the cuts are. There's my sectioning. So proof of concept on a test wheel. There's that cut. There's my piece. There's my back. Still got some flashing on it that I need to get off. You know, just little pieces. Run a deburr around it or hit it with sanding wheel. Same with that. But yeah, she pretty damn straight. Let's say so myself. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Chopping block. Brand new wheel. Never been mounted anything except for this spin balancer right now. We're gonna cut it here. I originally said I wanted to cut on that line, but it looks like the taper in this wheel starts getting more aggressive from that line this way. So I think I'm gonna cut it right on the back side of this hump, your bead lock. Bring it out 1.5 inches and then cut it here. And bring your bead lock all the way up to here and weld her back together. Let's see how it goes. If not, the wheel is going to be black on the front and chrome on the back because I got a different 20-inch wheel that has a straight barrel on it that will end up making it fit. But I hate to cut up 2 wheels to make one, but we might have to. Yes. Woo! Got the first lip off. Now we got to come in 1.5 inches from there this way. Let's see what happens. Got it? Yep. This would be wheel number 2. Already been cut. There's the other 2 pieces right there. 1 and 2. Cut, cleaned up, ready to put on the welding table. Now since I got the back lips cleaned up, this is 2 separate lips in case y'all don't realize that. Yeah. They're all cleaned up, about ready to start welding them to the actual wheel. See how this turns out. Alright folks, we back on this. Got the root in, except for right here. Got to run that little bit of root. Got the rest of it all in. Then we're going to put a cover pass on this, and we're going to flip the wheel over and weld the other side. All right, folks. So this is the first one put together, all the way welded all the way around. Yes, there's a lot of start and stops, but that's a lot of area to cover while you're sitting on your weld table. The inside of the barrel is also welded all the way around. Yeah, I can't see it really. Yeah, but yeah, that's number one, and already had on spin balancer. Thing rolls straight as can be. Pretty happy with it. So went back, put a weave cap over top of that first root. She looks good. It's all freehand, no walking the cup stuff. But yeah, she's looking good. Number two, couple days after the first one. That's your inside bead. Everything's freehand, and yes, there's a lot of stop and starts. Like I said on the other one, it's a long way to go. All freehand in here, no walking the cup, none of that stuff. All the way around. That's got 3 passes in it. Then we're going to end up grinding it down smooth and going from there. I guarantee you that is the skinniest low profile 20 you've ever seen in your life. As a 215 30 20 on about a 6.5-inch wide wheel, custom made. Literally took 1.5 inches out of the barrel and welded her back together inside and out. Won't never see that again. Well, with the help of a little bit of Murphy's tire soap and a whole bunch of prying with the pry bar, as you can see, it still has Murphy's on it. We was having to get in between the bead and the tire and pry the tire this way to get it to come up and actually take a bead. But after 3 days of working on this one tire, we finally got this one aired up. So had them for about a week or so. The hardest part was not cutting them and taking 1.5 inches out of them and getting them straight and all that. That wasn't even the hard part. The hard part was turning that 7.5-inch rim into a 6-inch rim and then mounting a 215 30 20 on a wheel that narrow. So what happened is from here to there was rolled in the bead and did not want to air up. So there's one aired up, and there's the second one finally. It took about 3 days of messing with that tire to get it to finally air up. I'm so happy this job's done.